If you've ever wondered whether you can password protect Evernote on Windows, the short answer is that Evernote for Windows does not have a built-in app password or PIN lock. But there are still a couple of smart ways to protect your information, and I'm going to walk you through both of them step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. First, let's talk about the limitation. Evernote on Windows does not currently let you set a password for the entire app, and it also does not offer a PIN lock for the desktop version. So if your goal is to lock the whole application, that option simply isn't available right now. Instead, the first protection method is to encrypt specific text inside a note. This is ideal if you only want certain sensitive parts of a note to stay private, like passwords, account numbers, personal information, or confidential details. To do that, open the Evernote desktop app on your Windows computer. Then open the note that contains the text you want to secure. Use your mouse to highlight the exact text you want to protect. Once it is selected, right-click on the highlighted text and choose Encrypt Selected Text. If you prefer, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and X. After that, Evernote will ask you to create a passphrase. Enter a strong passphrase, confirm it, and make sure you store it somewhere safe. This part is very important because Evernote cannot recover that passphrase for you if you forget it. Without it, you won't be able to decrypt the text later, so treat it like a master key. Once the text is encrypted, it will no longer be readable unless the correct passphrase is entered. That gives you a secure way to protect individual pieces of information without needing a full app lock. Now let's move on to the second method, which protects Evernote indirectly by securing your Windows account. Since Evernote relies on your computer's security, this is one of the best ways to stop other people from accessing your notes when you step away. Press Windows and I to open Settings, then go to Accounts and select Sign In Options. From there, make sure you have a password, PIN, or Windows Hello set up on your device if you haven't already. This adds a layer of security to your Windows account, which also helps keep Evernote protected. You should also get into the habit of pressing Windows and L whenever you leave your computer. That instantly locks your screen and helps prevent anyone else from opening your Evernote notes while you're away. So to recap, you cannot password protect the Evernote app itself on Windows, but you can protect sensitive content by encrypting selected text, and you can protect the whole device by securing your Windows login. If you are looking for a full app password or note level lock, that feature is not currently available on Evernote for Windows, but with the methods I showed you, you can still keep your information much safer. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Windows and app guides, and leave a comment if you want a video on other Evernote security tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.